Ordered some Boba U4T 62 grams switches from Aliexpress because Amazon didn't have any. Just got them today. Took 18 days. That's a long time to wait when you're used to Amazon Prime 2-day shipping. 70 switches and cost me $50.50 before taxes. Okay, so looks like they've sent me 71 pieces, 62 grams, and there is also a keycap holder in there. That's nice. I have the switches installed. These are the Boba U4T 62 grams. And the package, although it says 71 pieces, it did come with 70 pieces, for which I paid for, so I'm okay with that.